If you're looking for some easy hacks to get you through the summer, you're definitely in the right place. My first hack is with pool floats. My kids love these in the summer, but they can take up so much room. So what you're going to need is a broomstick. Pull off the bottom portion and you're gonna stick your broomstick down into the ground. You could do this in your backyard. Next, you're gonna need a pool noodle. You just slip the pool noodle over your broomstick. Now you've created a great organizer. You can stack up all your pool floats. Mine are from Walmart, and I wanna thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. They have some really colorful pool floats that are fun for the pool, beach, or lake. This next hack is with your beach towels. Now you can do this with any beach towel, but if you've ever wanted to carry items in your beach towel, maybe you don't want to bring a beach bag, here's a solution for you. So you're gonna lay your beach towel out flat. You're gonna fold in both sides, then you're gonna fold it up on the end, then go to the opposite end and you're gonna start rolling it up. Now before you get it completely rolled up, put whatever items you wanna take with you to the beach in the middle, continue rolling it up, and then tuck it in on the ends. This keeps your items nice and organized until you get to the pool and you can pull them out and use them. I also find that this beach towel hack is perfect for kids if they wanna just take some sunscreen and their goggles to the pool. So if you don't already have a beach bag for this summer, here's one that really just does everything, and it comes in really cute colors. Now I love the top of it because it's mesh. If you put anything wet in there, it's going to help it dry and get some of the water out. But the coolest thing about this bag is there's actually a cooler on the bottom, so you can take cold items with you whenever you go to the pool or the beach. This next hack is one that my family likes to use whenever we go to the lake and we're going to be away from the house for a while. This is great for the pool or the beach as well. This is the Hawaiian roll sandwich hack. Now you may have seen this before. I originally saw it on Pinterest, but I've used it so many times I wanted to share it with you because it's a great summer hack. What you're gonna do is you're going to get a container of Hawaiian rolls. You're gonna use your knife to slice through the rolls completely put together. Then take off the top. From here, you can add your own toppings. I like to usually make one that has turkey on it and one that has ham. You can add cheeses and all of your condiments as well. Then all you have to do is put the top back on, slide it back into the Hawaiian roll bag. You can use your zip tie to tie it in place, and then when you get to your destination, you have sandwiches that are ready to go. Now with the cooler portion of this bag, I can fit in my sandwiches. Actually, it's bigger than you think it is. So I'm gonna put in my ice pack, then my sandwiches, but you can see I still have room for drinks and other things. Have you ever tried multi-spice? This is the perfect hack whenever you're going camping. I also like to take it on vacation because you get 6 different spices all in one. I'll just throw this in my camper whenever we go and I don't have to worry about bringing a bunch of different spices. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go down and comment the word of the day, which is pool. If you're not using roll-on sunscreen, it's really a game changer. Now, I definitely prefer this on my face over any of the lotion types. It works kind of like a deodorant because it has this little turn here and you can simply apply it to your face. It lasts a lot longer than a lotion. I use it on my kids, but I also use it on myself. I think this next hack is pretty cool. So this is a way you can actually keep your popsicles cold when you're on the go, or maybe you just want to keep them cold when you're in the backyard. So what you're going to need is any water bottle. Use one of your insulated one, and you're going to put in the popsicles. Now, I find the best ones to use are those skinny kind that you can get at Walmart. Then you're just going to add in any ice that you have from your fridge and then put the lid on. That way, whenever you get to your destination, you still have nice and cold popsicles. I found this really compact portable grill at Walmart for whenever we go tailgating. It's nice to have a small grill. This one's great. We were able to cook hamburgers on it and hot dogs. But the thing that is always tricky for me is what's the best way to actually clean your grill? So I found several different methods and I thought it would be fun to kind of try out those different methods and see which one worked best. Okay, so my grill grates are pretty dirty. I'm gonna use the tin foil first. I have to say the tinfoil did a pretty good job with cleaning. The next cleaning method is with lemon. So you're gonna cut a lemon in half and you're going to use that to clean along your grill grates. The other option is an onion. So you cut an onion in half and use that to clean as well. Let me know which of these 3 cleaning methods you think is going to work the best, either the tin foil, the lemon, or the onion. Overall, I was pretty impressed, but I would say my favorite was probably the lemon, followed by the aluminum foil, and then the onion. If you're gonna be traveling this summer, grab some shower caps, wrap them around your shoes before you put them in your luggage to keep your clothes from getting dirty. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite summer hack is, and if you're looking for any of the products I talked about in today's video, I'll put them for you in the description box, or you can pick them up at Walmart. I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.